Hey friends, welcome to my channel in Top Brain GK. Today we will talk about nuclear power plants in India and will also provide list of operational nuclear power plant and list of nuclear plants which are under construction. Nuclear power is the fifth largest source of generating electricity in India after coal, gas, wind power and hydroelectricity. But first get to know what is nuclear power plant. What is nuclear power plant? A nuclear power plant is a facility that converts atomic energy into usable power. In a nuclear electric power plant, heat produced by a reactor is generally used to drive a turbine which in turn drives an electric generator. As of November 2020, India has 23 nuclear reactors in operation in 7 nuclear power plants, with a total installed capacity of 7,480 megawatt. All these nuclear power plant is operated by NPCIL, means Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited. What is NPCIL? NPCIL, the Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited, is an Indian public sector undertaking based in Mumbai, Maharashtra. It is owned by the Government of India and it is responsible for the generation of nuclear power for electricity. Now let's start with Tarapur plant. TAPS, which means Tarapur Atomic Power Station. This station is located in Tarapur in Maharashtra state in India. As you can see in this map, it was the first commercial nuclear power station built in India and operated by NPCIL. Now talking about operational units in Tarapur, these are Unit TAPS 1, Unit TAPS 2, TAPS 3 and TAPS 4. 4 units are operational in Tarapur, Maharashtra. Now, next plant is Rawat Bhata, RAPS, the Rajasthan Atomic Power Station. This station is located at Rawat Bhata in the state of Rajasthan, India, and it is operated by NPCIL. Look at the operational units in Rawat Bhata. But wait, if we talk about unit RAPS 1, it is shut down and not operational at this time. Because after almost 30 years of service, RAPS 1 was shut down 10 years ago following a leakage in the water feeding line. So at this time, operational units are RAPS 2, RAPS 3, RAPS 4, RAPS 5 and RAPS 6 in Rawat Bhata, Rajasthan. Next plant is MAPS, Madras Atomic Power Station. It is located at Kalpakkam, about 80 km south of Chennai, India. It is a comprehensive nuclear power production, fuel reprocessing and waste treatment facility. Operational units at this plant are MAPS 1 and MAPS 2. Now move to next plant. This is NAPS. Narora Atomic Power Station is a nuclear power plant located in Narora, Bulandshahr district in Uttar Pradesh, India. Operational units at this plant are NAPS 1 and NAPS 2. Next plant is KAPS, Kakrapar Atomic Power Station, is a nuclear power station in India which lies in the proximity of Surat and Tapi River in the state of Gujarat. Operational units at this plant are KAPS 1, KAPS 2 and KAPS-3. Now focus to next plant. This is KGS, Kaiga Generating Station. It is a nuclear power generating station situated at Kaiga near the river Kali in district of Karnataka, India. The plant has been in operation since March 2000 and it is operated by the NPCIL, Nuclear Power Corporation of India, and operational units at this plant are KGS-1, KGS-2, KGS-3 and KGS-4. Now see the largest nuclear power station in India, and that is KKNPP, Kundankulam Nuclear Power Plant. It is in Tamil Nadu and this is the highest capacity nuclear plant in India with an installed capacity of 2000 megawatt. Kundankulam Nuclear Power Plant is the largest nuclear power station in India, and operational units at this plant are KKNPP-1, KKNPP-2. Now you can see all the operational nuclear power plants in this map, which we talk about. Narora, Uttar Pradesh, Rawat Rajasthan, Kakrapar, Gujarat, Tarapur in Maharashtra, Kaiga in Karnataka, Kundankulam in Tamil Nadu and Kalpakkam in Tamil Nadu also. Now let's talk about those nuclear power plants which are under construction. So first under construction plant is KAPS-4, Kakrapar Atomic Power Station in Gujarat. Second unit is RAPS-7 and RAPS-8, Rajasthan Atomic Power Station in Rajasthan. Next, Gorakhpur Nuclear Power Plant, Unit GHAVP-1, GHAVP-2 in Haryana, Gorakhpur. Next, KGS, Kaiga Generating Station. These units are KGS-5 and KGS-6 in Kaiga, Karnataka. And if we talk about Kundankulam in Tamil Nadu, KKNPP, Kundankulam Nuclear Power Plant. So under construction sites are KKNPP-3, KKNPP-4, KKNPP-5 and KKNPP-6. Nuclear power in India deliver a total capacity of 6.7 gigawatt, contributing to just under 2% of the country's electricity supply. Nuclear power in India is the fourth largest source of electricity after thermal and hydroelectric. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.